Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can log into your Namecheap cPanel. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to your Namecheap, and once you're here, you will have to go to your account section and then you will see hosting list. So go ahead and click that. And then once you're here, you should make sure that you already have your hosting service so that you would actually be able to do this. So what you will see basically is uh something like this. So yeah, after you click your hosting list, you will basically just see this button right here, which is next to your domain. So what you will have to do is you will either click um manage, which is basically right here. So what you will have to do is you will click manage option next to the hosting icon like this. And then what you will have to do after clicking that is uh you will have to log into your cPanel. So you will just have to put your username and your password if prompted. And after that, you will now be able to access your cPanel and can manage files, emails, and databases. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.